Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Shiran and I have been a developer over 20 years now. Along the way, I have learned a lot of useful skills and ways to make coding easier. And I am very excited to be here with you and share them with you. Whether you are just standing out or looking to improve, my goal is this content is to take you on journey from zero all the way to become a full stack developer using React Native. We'll start with the basics and work our way up to some pretty advanced stuff. If that sounds good to you, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Leave the comment below about what kind of topics you'd like to see here on the channel. Let's make this place for learning, growing and building together. Ready? Let's jump in.
Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. React Native is a powerful framework that allows developers to create native mobile apps using JavaScript and React. It's known for its speed, efficiency, and flexibility, making it a popular choice for app development. One of the standout features of React Native is its ability to create visually stunning apps. With its built-in components and flexible design system, developers can create apps that are not only functional, but also visually appealing.
Okay, the first thing we have to do is we have to download Node. Okay, on a web browser, type Node and go to the Node site. Okay, click the icon, Node icon. Okay, click upload. Okay, run JavaScript anywhere. Okay, it's open source platform software. Download Node.js LTS version. Okay, long-term support version, because it's long-term supported. That means there's less bugs. Okay, so all the commands will work for the so downloading. Okay, download the file. Okay, and click the file. It will install automatically. Okay, everything. Follow the instruction. It is easy, so I'm not going to show that. After installing, you have to check the versions if you need. Okay, that's not necessary. Type node hv. Okay, and you can see the version because it's correctly installed. Okay, and npm package manager. Okay, hp. You can see the version there. Okay, that both are installed correctly, latest versions. Okay, so now we are going to see the advantages and disadvantages. There is two CLIs we can use to build the React Native projects, Expo and React Native CLI. Okay, I'm giving you the main advantages, okay, and disadvantages. Okay, you can read this carefully. Okay, and see. Most developers are preferring Expo to start the project. Okay, maybe when you build it, when it grows, okay, you can turn it to developer mode and use the native components afterwards. Now Expo is giving that option also. So with Expo you can do all, I think, mostly. Okay, read this. Okay, go to the React Native site. Okay, and read this documentation carefully. Very well documented. Okay, it's supporting all the platforms right here: iOS, Android, web, and TV also. Okay, and it's written on Java, rendering with native code. It's native. Okay, go through the documentation. It's very good before you starting up. Okay, let's get started. React Native. Okay, the official site of React Native, they also recommend in the Expo. Okay, Expo that support all the platforms underneath. Android, iOS, TV, and web. Okay, Expo is open source software. Okay, it's very well documented. Okay, very well supported. Okay, updates every most of the time. New updates are coming. So this is the command to start. Okay, new project. Copy the command. Okay, so just type the command here. Npx expo npx create expo app at latest. Latest means the latest version. Okay, type the command and enter. Okay, the npm manager will start downloading necessary dependencies, libraries, and everything needed to create native projects. Okay, so you just have to sit back. Okay, they will ask the name for your app. Just type any name, whatever you prefer according to the project you are going to do. Just type the name. Okay, and enter. Okay, then let the npm manager do the rest. Okay, so download all the dependencies necessary. Okay. So enter now. Locate in project files. Okay, npm that will install. Okay. Don't worry about these messages showing up. Okay. According to your machine speed and internet connection speed, this will differ. Okay, this will be very fast process. Your internet connection is fast. Okay, mine is a little bit slow. Now it's done. Okay, so command prompt you can see. You can type cd and go to the folder and run the commands shown here. So now I'm going to use Visual Studio Code for the editing. Okay, I'm starting Visual Studio and I'm going to the folder and select the folder. Okay, it will open inside Visual Studio Code. Opening. See the structure here: apps, assets, components, friends, hooks, item modules, scripts. Okay, just apps. Okay, click the app folder. Okay, tabs are mostly you can see underneath your mobile. Click tab. Layouts are the routes. Okay, routes you use to navigate. Okay, index file is the file you can see when you start your project. The first screen, the home screen. Okay, I will show you how to edit this. Okay, you open terminal here. Okay, let's take some space. Okay, so you can see it clearly. Okay, it's loaded in the command prompt. Yeah, inside our project folder. Now we have to execute this app. We are running npx expo start. Expo will start the project. Okay. For the first time, it will take a little bit time. The second, third time, it will be faster than this. We're starting Metro Bundler. Metro Bundler is the communication layer between the software and the physical device. Okay, so simply I am telling that in detail. I will tell everything in future coming videos. Okay, so now it's loaded. The Expo Go is loaded. You can switch into development build if you're using native codes. Okay, that is only. Okay, now I press A for Android. It's loading. It's loaded. Okay, so you can see the name, app name. Okay, I click continue. Okay, this is the first screen. Okay, that is the debug menu. Okay, there are options, debugging options. Okay, this is the welcome page. Okay, that index page we see inside the tab called this one. This warning is down there. It's because it is disconnected from the metro. You press R, okay, then that will reload. Okay, so don't worry about those things. Those things happens when we are doing. So it will be really fun while debugging. Okay. Okay, now it's loading again. Okay. Index file. This is the index files. Okay, the first first file when you see after you start the project. Okay. See the flow. Okay, I'm going to change that. Okay, I put 1, 2, 3. I'm putting after immediately it's fast refresh. Okay, it will appear on your device, virtual device. Okay, it will refresh. See, it's refreshing. Okay, now it will appear. This fast refresh is the main option. It's very easy for the developers to build projects using this, because as soon as you do the changes, that will appear on your device. So Expo is making everything easier. Life is easier. Okay, for the developers. See the tab. Okay, tabs are there. Okay, now I'm starting my physical device also from the other side. Okay, it is loading. That's my physical phone. Okay, and I'm scanning the QR code there. Okay, scan this QR code. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, this is the main screen. Okay, now we're going to do the editing part. Okay, start 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see the 1, 2, 3 there. Okay, and I'm going to change that to this is my first app. Okay, as soon as we did that, it's going to change on the screen. Okay, it's that fast because this is happening on my phone. Okay, this is screen recording. I'm putting it here. See the screen recorder over there. So that is that much fast. If your PC is too slow, don't use virtual devices. Okay, use the physical device. That will work much faster. Okay, Android virtual devices are taking too much memory, and that will slow your PC. Okay, so this is really fun doing with your phone. Also, when you check the phone, that will appear the debug menu. Okay, set up your environment. This is the Android device, iOS device. You can use both. Okay, an emulator, iOS emulator. You can use both. Okay, with Expo and Expo Go, that you can use Go earlier. In the development build, I told you earlier. Okay, when you want to use native code, okay, that is also you can use your physical device. Okay, you can build your app inside your phone. Okay, and you can use anytime you want. Okay, without connecting to your this PC. Okay, fellas, that's it for the first episode. Stay tuned for the next video. Okay, click the subscribe button and click bell icon so you will notify when it starts. Okay, let's become a great developer together. Okay, stay healthy, smile, enjoy your life. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.